Next topic session for basic writing skills. First topic is phrase. Phrases. Phrase. A phrase is a group of words which have no subject and predicate of its own. Means phrase will give a partial meaning of information. Means give partial information, not give proper information, like a sentence. A phrase has no subject and no predicate of its own, but gives some meaning on its own and form a part of larger group of words, which is either a clause or sentence. Like for example, Sugam is standing at the table near the window. So at the table is a phrase. In this sentence, at the table is a phrase. It gives us some idea where Sugam is standing, but not give a proper information. But not give the complete sense. In other words, without the other group of words Sugam is standing, we cannot understand what this group of words stand for. Okay, this is not giving you a proper meaning, this phrase. So a phrase is any group of words that does not contain a subject completing an action, in which action is not completed, is called phrase. When a group of words contains a subject doing an action, when action is there proper, then it becomes a clause. So a phrase is never a full sentence. Always give partial meaning, half meaning. So for example, meal is a word. After the meal, phrase, and that mom prepared is a clause. So now various kinds of phrase. First kind is noun phrase, second is verb, third is adverb, fourth adjective, prepositional phrase, infinitive phrase, gerund phrase, and participle phrase, and obsolete phrase. So first of all, before this topic, clear the meaning of the parts of speech. So parts of speech in a sentence, every word has a use or function, particular use or function, every word. So every word is a part of speech according to its use or function. So there are 8 parts of speech. First is a noun. Noun is a word that names a person, place or thing. Clear? And various kinds of nouns are there, like proper noun, common noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, and collective noun. Next is a pronoun. Pronoun, a word that takes the place of a noun, that is used instead of nouns. For example, Ram is playing. Okay, if I will say he is playing, so he is a noun, he is a pronoun, and Ram is a noun. Clear? Name. So now pronoun. Various kind of pronouns are there, like personal pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, indefinite pronoun. Clear? And next is a verb that describes the action. Okay, a word that is used to describe the action is called verb. And next is the adjective, a word that qualifies the noun or pronoun, and that is used to modify the noun or pronoun is called adjective. Like she is very beautiful. Okay, so this is a very beautiful is a adjective. Next, adverb, a word that qualify or modify verb, adjective, and another adverb is called adverb. Next is a preposition. Preposition, a word that connect a noun or pronoun to other words in the sentence. For example, on, upon, by. With these all prepositions are used to connect the pronoun or noun to other words in the sentence. Next is a conjunction. Conjunction, a word that join words, phrase or clause. Conjunction is a word that is used to join the words, phrases and clauses, like and. Clear? Next is a interjection. Interjection, a word that express surprise, emotion or strong feeling, in like with explanatory symbol. Oh, wow. So these all are word that used to express surprise, emotion or strong feeling. So total 8 parts of speech. First is a noun, second pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, and interjection.